So let's start this little process by building the shade. So I'm going to make a new block and I'll call it shade. And we need the size, that is actually the length of the radius of the box, and then we need the stripes. We need to know how many stripes we need to create. So, and let's put in the inputs and the stripes. Yep. So I'm going to pull it out here, and then I'm assuming 300, and maybe let's start with 5 stripes. Right. So we need a variable, a script variable for this, because we need to do a little internal addition. So let's set the dimension here, the D2, and then we say the size, that is the full length, and then we divide it into however many stripes we have. So that is our 1 unit of this dimension, which is going to sort of offset how much we need to move. And then we need to push, and we also, when we do that, we also always need to pop. So I might as well have that one ready, because we want to fixate our initial positions so we know where we were, and then we can get back to that position. And then we're going to repeat for how many stripes we have. So now the first move is actually the usual move. We move forward. And we move forward by the size. So we basically go up, and then we have to turn 120 degrees to point downwards. So we'll turn 120, and then we forward again. So basically what we do is we go up and face down, and then we go front, and now we need to go back again, because we want to return to the position where we were. And what it does take a little getting used to with the push and pop. So this idea that you return to the place of the origin, which actually changes the way you need to change to move things about. But it takes some getting used to, but you will get used to eventually. And the whole time we always make sure that we return to the same state, making it state transparent, so it's easy to put into grids. So that was the back, and then we need to turn the other way. That is a left turn, and then we need to restore. So we're ready for the next one. So, ta-da! Let's see it. Yay! It was a bit big, or rather, it's a bit small. So we should not have moved. This was the wrong. We should only move the D here. Let's see if that makes a little more sense. Yeah, that makes a little more sense. So up, turn 120, forward, go back, and then push however the distance down, and then we repeat it, and then we eventually end up in the same place. Yeah. So this is the shade, the basic, and if I duplicate it and I turn it 120 degrees, you can see what starts to emerge. Whoa, what have we here? And if I do this again, andale, you can see we have a beautiful optical illusion, and especially if I turn one of them more and one of them less, and then I just need a CN gone, and well, it should be slightly bigger than the 100, maybe 300, funnily enough. Wow! And there we go. We have built this kind of optical illusion Am I inside out? Am I upside down? What am I? Why am I? Box. That is quite Escher-esque. Yeah. So we're ready for the next one.